Hey you, and welcome to this video, and today I will show you how to set a stop loss and take profit in XM trading. First of all, please select the amount, or let's say stocks, where you want to trade in. Let's do, for example, the Euro USD. And then from here, we go to a demo account, because on my demo account, I have $10,000. And right now we want to set a stop loss. So we can set a stop loss by clicking here on TPSL. So click on TPSL. And right now we can set a stop loss and take profit. Let's start with the stop loss. Right now we select the amount that we want to buy. So let's say I want to buy for 500 quantity needs to be 1000. That's fine. And then from here we go to stop loss, and let's say we want stop loss a little bit lower. So let's do it on this. And then now we can place order, and we just created a stop loss. Now, if you want to create a take profit, we click on it again, and then we click on take profit level. And then let's say I want take profit a little bit higher. So let's say we want €1 profit. So now when this price is on this level, he will take the profit and he will automatically sell or position. So now if you click here on place order, we just created a take profit. And now when he hits this line over here, he will automatically sell or position. So this is how you can set a stop loss or take profit in XM trading. Hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.